Okay, how you going, mate? I'm the random guy on the internet. So, here's a database that I've got here. Just I'm playing with it at the moment. Um, so to make an export, we'll go straight across to export. Obviously, I think that's where you went anyway. And instead of going just quick, we'll go custom. Far out. And that's going to ask me, what tables I want down. We want to save this to an output file and just leave that how it is. All of this should be fine as well. And that'll save straight to your downloads. So that's how you get your SQL file. Now we should be able to open that up. Hang on, we're skipping ahead. So to delete that database, say you make a database and you've stuffed it all up and whatever, you can just drop it. Sometimes there's a reason why you need to delete a database. I just can't think of one good one at the moment. So we can just drop that database. Now because I've taken an SQL dump, it hasn't created the actual database for me, if that makes sense. I've only got the tables inside that database. So I've got to go here. I'll show you a little trick. If I go straight to import off here, it's going to throw me an error. Now I'll choose this SQL file that we just grabbed. And we'll just go. And that's going to throw me an error because the table doesn't exist. Okay, there's a database. So now I can just copy that. Go to new. Create my new database. UTF-8, the general, and then we'll go ahead and create that. Now we click on the database itself, we go to import, we choose our file, and we open that up, and we click go, and that will create that table for me. And that's just telling you all the crap that it's just ran. Now I can go to my database. I can have a look at my members. This is, as I said to you before, it's just a test one I'm playing with at the moment. And yeah, that's how you do your SQL dumps in an SQL file. It makes it a lot easier, as you can see. Otherwise, I've got to run SQL queries. And I'm sure you're having fun with them. I think they suck. But yeah, anyway. Oh, I should show you this too. If we open this up in a text editor, I'll just go text edit. I mean, you can open it up in Notepad and you can open it up in any text, okay? Now we can edit stuff in here, and then we would save that. You know what I mean? And so on and so forth. We can do anything you want to that. Change dates, change times, whatever you want in here. And then obviously we'll save it. And that'll upload again. Nothing will ever happen to the format, yeah? So if you ever needed to edit data inside that SQL file, that's how you do that. I think that's all, man. Any other questions? Yeah, hit me up. If my little button will work.